We have a number 30 today. This is a tooth with an existing restoration. We can appreciate the crack on the lingual. We can appreciate that crack on the distal, a little recurrent decay. This tooth is ready for a crown. So why don't we get to it? We'll begin by trimming our models, cutting away this extra tissue we don't need to do our job. There's our crown prep and our opposing arch. Good. Computer draws the margin for us because it's nice and crispy clean. All right. Insertion axis, something like this. Click apply. That'll do. Go next. Spacer 120 microns, so we have room to bond. Edit element asks the computer to give us a proposal. It's thinking right now. In a moment, it'll pop up what the crown is supposed to look like, something like this. So, a little artifact down there that's not a part of our prep. But we can appreciate pretty good first shot from inLab. Let's help it out a little bit. So we'll remove this high spot of occlusion. Going to use our shape circular tool. I want to have equal contacts all the way around, so we'll just bump those up to give that double turquoise color. That needs to come out a little bit. I'm going to bring this mesial marginal ridge up. And we're going to use our Form Smooth tool. Let's check our proximal contacts by getting rid of these lower teeth. We can see this front contact is too heavy, so we're going to smooth that away. We like broad double turquoise with a little bit of green in the middle. Distal contact, still just a touch too much green, so we'll get rid of a lot of that, keeping that broad double turquoise. May increase this lingual dimension here, give us a little more of that double turquoise color. Good. Check the articulator. It's generating a functionally generated path. This will show us excursive movements when the jaw moves left, right, forward, and back, so we can remove any interferences. There are none. So, crown looks great. It's going to work well for what we need. Appreciate you watching, and we hope you have a great day.